If your calls are showing as no caller ID and people can't see your number, here's how to fix it quickly. Let's get straight to the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Phone. Now tap on Show My Caller ID. Make sure the toggle is turned on. It should appear green. That's it. Your number will now show when you call someone. Now, if the Show My Caller ID option is missing or grayed out, this means your carrier controls it, not Apple. If you use Verizon, you may need to enable it from your Verizon account or the Verizon app. For other carriers, contact customer support and ask them to enable caller ID for your line. Also, check that you're not dialing with *67 before the number. *67 hides your number for one call only. If you accidentally use it, your call will show as no caller ID. Now, if your goal is the opposite and you want to stop receiving calls from no caller ID numbers, here's what to do. Go to Settings. Tap Apps, then select Phone. Tap Silence Unknown Callers. Turn it on. This will send all calls from unknown or hidden numbers directly to voicemail. That's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.